Good morning.
Good morning.
We're at the Botanical Gardens.
We are at the Botanical Gardens today, and I have been really bad about picking up the camera lately, so today seems like a really good day to do that. And we're meeting Mimi here today, huh?
Yeah.
What are we gonna see here?
Legos.
Yeah, Legos. Are you excited, Eden? Mm-hmm. You wanna see butterflies?
See Mimi.
You see Mimi? Oh yeah, there's Mimi.
She's right next to us.
So cool. Do you see that butterfly? You see it? Do you like the butterfly? Yeah?
It's that.
It's just some stuff down there. Let's see if Mama can get it to walk on her.
She's going away.
Ah! Here we go. Look at that. You see?
Okay.
No, don't touch it. Do you want him to walk on you? No. Look at him. He's pretty. Your finger right there. And just gently kind of push it under. And put your fingers on him. There you go.
It's furry.
Yeah.
Don't touch it, okay?
You want to try, Eden? No. We had lots of fun this morning at the Botanical Gardens, and now we are outside, and Ezra and Dada got their bow and arrow out. So we're gonna see if Ezra can shoot his target.
Rubber parts.
Good job! You wanna move the target closer?
Yeah. I need it.
Well, no. Let's just move closer.
Okay, that works too. Nice! Ezra, what did you and Dada find? Baby eggs?
Yeah.
That's so cool. We found this nest up in our drain pipe a couple days ago, and there was nothing in it, but now there is definitely eggs in it. Which I probably shouldn't get up here. Maybe I'll get Brian to come up here and film it. He took a picture and sent it to me because I had to just go run a quick errand. But there's like 3 little blue eggs in there. It's so cool. We're gonna have to check on it all the time and see if we can see baby birds. Do you want to see the birds hatch?
Yeah.
Yeah. I do wish it was a little bit lower though, because it's really up there. Brian's got the camera. He'll try to show the eggs. Did we get it?
Yeah, I got it.
You saw it?
Yeah.
There's also a bird nest in our garage, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Which is kind of annoying. When we first moved into our house, we did not put a light in our garage light for a long time. I don't know why, we just never got around to it. And I guess it was bright that summer. We moved in May 2 years ago. And we just didn't really need it at night, and so we just took a long time to put it in there. And a bird had built a nest, and we took it down, and then we put a light bulb in there, and now this is like months, maybe a year later, there's definitely like more debris up there. So yeah, all that shadow like here and right around there, that's all bird nest stuff. I actually saw a bird walking around here with stuff in its mouth to build. I don't know which bird nest that bird was going to. I'm climbing in the van door right now. See if we can see what's in there. Eden, what are you doing? You want to see? What do you want to see? Oh, you want to see yourself? You can't see yourself. My camera's broken.
It's not broken.
It is a little bit broken.
It's not broken.
Yeah, it's kind of broken. My camera has like a little flip screen where I can flip it up and see what I'm filming at when I have the camera turned towards me. But lately it's been acting up. It's gotten worse and worse. At first the color was messed up, but it filmed fine. And then the color went completely green. It was just, everything had this like green overlay on it. Only when I flipped it up, but it was filming fine, so I just didn't worry about it. And then just today, like this afternoon, it's just black. There's nothing. So when I flip up the screen, it just cuts off and I can't see anything. Oh, your foot's okay. So that's kind of a bummer. Like one of the reasons I picked this camera was because it had the flip screen, and now the flip screen doesn't even work. So hopefully the camera will continue to work for a while, because I do like the camera. I'm just kind of bummed that that feature is pretty much gone now. I don't know. I might be able to get it fixed, but at this point, it's just not worth it to me. Are you stuck in that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we flew kites earlier when it was really windy, and one of them we just threw away because it was incompatible with flight. And now he's playing with the string. Watch out. Oh gosh. Yeah, let's not play with this anymore. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, this is kind of dangerous to play with. People get tripped over it, caught up in it, choking on it. Lots of bad things can happen, so we're gonna put it in the trash. What are you guys doing? You hammering?
Yeah.
I go inside for 2 seconds and I come out to this. All right, that's enough. Let's get your scooter so we can go on a walk. You wanna go on a walk?
All
right.
Oh,
Oh, it's locked. I don't have a key. Oh my gosh.
Ian, throw this at the door.
No, don't. Hey, you're gonna really damage the door if you throw stuff. Oh, she almost threw that at your head. No throwing wood. That's not good, okay?
Oh.
Oh. Oh my God. Can I leave you guys out here for a second while I go get the key? Oh, little side note. We planted, I know I showed us planting peppers, but we also planted some seeds, and I had no expectations for them. I figured none of them would grow because I've just never been a very good gardener. And they're all growing, and I'm super, super excited. So I've got, you see a spider web?
Yeah, we'll get it.
I've got zucchini squash right here, here, and here. There's 6 of them. So that they're actually popping up, and I'm super excited to see that. And then in this section right here, there's little carrots starting. So if you look really close, there's like these little green kind of grassy looking things. And then all back there to the sides of the peppers is okra. But yeah, like I said, I'm really excited that there's actually things growing, because I thought for sure if I planted seeds, nothing would happen. All right, here we go. Woo, careful there, girl. Did you get a boo-boo? Oh no. Here, Ezra wants his scooter. So we're gonna give him his scooter. Oh, my gracious. And, oh yeah, you did get a boo-boo. Let me see. A little scratch. He's not too bad. Let's go get in your stroller, okay?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You dropped your helmet. Can you carry this for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, guys. Let's do this. Ready? Okay.